to Taronga Zoo. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like. Going by tram. I think this is really fun. So, we should go together.
Let's go. The train coming. Hey. So we're going to security, is it? That's it? Okay.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever, but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. A lot of you by God disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it.
So we by the ferry now.
To tell me
Alright.
you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulder. So done with my cigarette. And when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need no man.
So we use this ferry, Austrin. Go to the Taronga Zoo. Okay. Alright.
You had to go back where you
Yeah.
came from, now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't
Yeah.
wanna be you for real. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulder. So done with my cigarette. And when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need no man.
Halo. Ini asal. Tuh gajah, tuh gajah. Tuh gajah. Where's Austrin? Oh! Yeah, let me look. So cute.
second row today.
What you're seeing here is a natural behaviour known as bowing or porpoising. It's a really energy efficient way for a seal to travel, and if you listen carefully, you may notice him taking a quick breath of air every time he jumps out of the water. This comes in handy when chasing prey and getting away from predators. Well done, Diego. Now, seals are an amazing predator of the ocean. There are a few other predators out there that are just as important though. There's the killer whale, and there's another one that's really important for a healthy ocean. Can you give everyone a clue, Diego? Who knows what that is? Shout it out. A shark, of course. Probably the chubbiest and furriest shark you've ever seen. What he's actually showing you there, though, is a natural behaviour for a sea lion. Sea lions, like Diego, they've got one very thick layer of fur, and their fur coat is so good at keeping their body heat in that it's only Diego's naked and hairless flippers that will allow his body heat to escape, cooling him down on a hot day. Well done, buddy. Diego has done such a great job today. Now, I did mention before he's a 7-year-old. He's not quite fully grown, but at the moment he's weighing in just over 250 kilos. He's so very strong. On his front two flippers, he can actually support his entire body weight. You ready? Beautiful, buddy. Well done. Me and Diego are only out here to get things started this afternoon, so let's wave goodbye. Good job. We're going to voice to yell, jump, Bondi. He's not going to make this jump from here though. So Bonds, should we get a run up? Alright, he's all the way to the top now. And in the right spot, I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3. Well, I thought you all did an amazing job. You might have to ask Bonds what happened though. Buddy, was that loud enough for you? He said no. Well, that's all right though. So why don't we try it out again with even more energy? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. What an amazing jump from Bondi this afternoon. Believe it or not, he's weighing in around 120 kilos, so that is a big, heavy jump for such a little guy. Now, we really appreciate all of you joining us here today, but stay in your seats. Jake and I are going to come back out and say our final farewells, but please remember, your choices matter. Choose MSC, and you can all be champions for the wild. Bye for now.
To you watch Austrin. Species penguin are the only found in the southern. Oh.
Is this older than the...
Yes. This one is more than big. This one, the last one.
Bye bye everyone. We are going to go home.
Bye.
Bye.